Hello everyone. Welcome back to another live trade of MarketMindX where we apply our market direction framework in real time. Okay. So before telling all this, let me tell you what has happened. Okay. So நம்ம வந்து லைவ் ஸ்ட்ரீம்ல இருந்தோம். லைவ் ஸ்ட்ரீம்ல வந்து just before the closure I have told about this particular trade because this particular setup I have thought in yesterday's stream as well as day before yesterday's stream we have discussed this how this particular setup is formed. Okay, and before getting started, இது வந்து key important area. Why we have marked it as a key important area is because நம்ம ட்ரேட் எப்போ இனிஷியேட் பண்ணுவோம்ல இந்த ரைட் டைரக்ஷன் என்ன ஆகும்னா ஒன்ஸ் ட்ரேட் வந்து போயிட்டு ஒரு இடத்துல கன்சோலிடேட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து என்ன ஆகும்னா அக்ரெசிவாக வந்து டார்கெட்ஸ் வந்து அச்சீவ் ஆகும். சரிங்களா? பட் இன் திஸ் பர்டிகுலர் பிளேஸ் தெர் இஸ் அ டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். ஸோ மார்க்கெட் போச்சு, போய் அக்ரெசிவ் பிஹேவியர் வந்துச்சு. பட் அந்த அக்ரெசிவ் பிஹேவியர்னால வந்து அந்த ஏரியாவை வந்து டேக் அவுட் பண்ண முடியல. ஸோ இஃப் டேக் அவுட் பண்ணியிருந்தா அது வந்து குயிக்காக வந்து இந்த ஏரியா வரைக்கும் வந்து அது மூவ் ஆயிருக்கும். சரிங்களா? அது மூவ் ஆகாதனால ஸோ வி ஹாவ் டிசைடட் தட் திஸ் இஸ் அ கீ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஏரியா. Okay, or a key important candle that zone. Okay, and when it has come down and we also had one more R level, that was this particular level. When it was breached, now we identified that this is a key reversal trade. So the entry what we have made here, it has triggered all the stop losses, and when it has picked all the stop losses, everyone would be waiting that now the trade will come back. Okay, the price will come back to our buy price, and it will come profitable. So what it will happen, it will come exactly till here, it will show some slight profits here and there, and it will start reversing. Okay, so this we have seen it so many times in the past, and that's the confident what we have got to hold this particular, take this particular trade. Okay, so here I have clearly mentioned this is the stop loss, this is the entry price, and before closing the live stream itself I have mentioned that setup is forming as we have already discussed. Think and watch the earlier stream and identify. Okay, but I wanted to show this trade for tomorrow's live stream, so I had taken the trade and put it as a recording. Okay, put it as a recording, and here the candle has come till the point here. Okay, but I was very sure that I'll not exit this particular trade because I know how this trade behaves. Okay, if it would have closed a candle out of this particular place, for example here, right? So it will start showing like a slight profit to this particular trade who have entered here, and then it will start reversing. Okay, unless and until one big candle closes above that, I was sure that I'll not exit. Okay, let's see how this trade has gone. And if you want to know the logics, and I have to explain all the logic as of now here, but if you want to know like what is the theory behind this particular trade, you go back to our yesterday stream, and yesterday as well as day before yesterday in the first half around 9:20 to 9:20 to 10:15 somewhere we would have discussed about this trade logic. Yeah, okay. This was a 1:2 RR trade, but being a expiry day, this would have really rewarded well. See, when this level has breached, right, that time itself we got a confidence that yeah, the direction it will take on the downside. from here. Okay, so anything that is going up from here, we don't need to worry. You can rather add more quantity. Yeah. Okay, let me. So, what's your take on this? So, will it move to a profitable trade, or will it take out our stop loss? Let's see. We have put a trade. Now the output is dependent on the market. So this is all a learning from our structured framework. Okay. So over the years of experience, like whatever we have developed as a framework, so usually that particular framework uh, is as per the structure, what the structure or the action what the market takes. But if in case as per the structure or as per the framework, if it does not react, then we just take a opposite direction. The reason being that creates a reaction. Okay, because our entry and exit is not somewhere placed at a random place. That is where the big players look for liquidity and create their positions. Hmm? So that's the very important. So you see, the market is going aggressively. Okay, but here I am very confident. So I'll not leave this trade unless and until I see a big candle like this closing out of this. Because see, when it has approached our stop loss, it is leaving a wick. So what does that mean? Somebody is creating a position or somebody is selling at that particular point. And if you see on just the left side, here also a big wick was there, and above that a big wick was there. Okay, a buying and a selling. Buying failed and selling has won. So i'll I'll wait on the selling side. If price closes above this particular candle, I want a closing. Okay, I don't want something like it goes and come down back. No, I want a closure. See, can you see that a rejection is being created at this particular point? Exactly. Let's see. If this closes above this particular red candle, can you see this? If it closes above that, I'll exit. All right. Look at this. Look at this rejection. This is what experience talks about. If you like this trade, hit a like and subscribe to our channel. We will share more and more educational stuffs wherein like you can learn about this structure completely, because we'll not put it across all in a one day, but eventually step by step every stream will be teaching some of the other new things, which one day will be consolidated a big uh, positive for you in your trading career. If now the condition is, if this candle reverses again, okay, if this candle reverses again, then that's a clean exit for us. Okay, the push whatever the red candle has bought, this particular candle, so if this has been taken out, then that's a clear exit. Okay, unless and until, see, see how aggressively it is coming down. Hmm. Now see, so many setups I have already thought. Okay, if you are watching our live stream regularly, you will be aware of it. And not only just randomly watching, you need to take the key points, you need to write it down, you need to start identifying those in the real market time. And if you do that, eventually you will learn. Once price comes below this a big green candle, it will start aggressively pushing down. Yeah, I'm just giving some space for the price to move around. Once it moves, like, I'll bring the stop loss to cost. Strictly stay with the rule, one or two trades a day. If both the trade hits your stop loss, stop trading for the day. You don't need to give additional your stop loss buffer to the market. Stay away. Come tomorrow. A fresh start. Watch out on this move. We have done analyzing. We have done with the execution. It's now all about stay and wait for the market to take a decision, whether it will take out your stop loss or whether it will reward you with your targets. Okay. So this, mhm, okay. So we have some Tamil audience as well as English. I'm just planning like the teachings if I get to know like based on the participants. So I can plan something as a two different sessions. One, I'll keep it purely for Tamil, okay, wherein, yeah, let me, okay. So I'll do it separately for Tamil audience, and the another one which is like English and Hindi mix. That's what I'm planning to do so, but depends. Like let me see for another 1 or 2 more weeks. Like if we are receiving more participants, already we have a list. So let's see. Waiting here to price to come to our profit booking area. See, 5 to 10 points, it is always allowable to book the profits, but I'm just waiting here for a, one small spike. Like, yeah, I know that's not the right thing. It has already come closer, so it's good to book the profit. Just this one, I'm waiting because if the trade is right, exactly it will hit the target. if this doesn't come down, right? Like whatever price it will be, like we'll just book the profits and exit. Okay. Yes. How did the trade go? If you want to learn the similar way, or reach out to us, our number is given, or send us a query at our website, and we'll teach you end to end. Thank you, everyone.